What's going on, my people? This is gonna be a long overdue update of the K-Swap S200. I'm sorry I have not been putting up videos like that. You know, life just sometimes, you know what I'm saying, get busy, and fucking filming and doing stuff at the same time does not go hand in hand with the nature that I like to do. Because I like to listen to music, and sometimes my GoPro takes a shit on me sometimes, so I don't have a reliable source to film videos. So this is gonna be a long overdue update of the K-Swap S2000. I think the last video I left off of last year, yanking the motor out or building the motor. I'm not sure what video I put out. But today is April 8th or the 9th, one or two. So I'm gonna throw this video up as soon as I get in the house. I might do just a little bit of editing and get this out to y'all as quickly as possible. Because you know what? We need those views. We need y'all to subscribe. I need to keep y'all in tune, okay? So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna give y'all a rundown of what I've done, and hopefully, you know, this content, you know what I'm saying, makes y'all wanna K-swap y'all cards, because we're gonna K-swap the world. The next card I get, fuck it, we K-swapping it. I don't give a shit what it is. We're gonna K-swap that shit. But all right, here we go. All right, so bow down. Bow down. I ain't got no hood prop. I gotta do this the hood way. Service port for the hood. Y'all getting all this raw footage today. I don't care. All right, so I don't think y'all seen any of this. This was never here. None of this was ever here. So we got a Pulsar GTX 3584 RS Turbo. We're on a P5 manifold. I got the downpipe and dump tube sitting over there somewhere. Speed Factory front mount intercooler for the Civics, but we're gonna turn this and make this into a V-mount setup. Right there, that's all in. I still gotta make my brackets for my AC condenser. That's not really, you know what I'm saying, doesn't hold any weight when we starting the vehicle. So we ain't really worried about it. Those shits, those two right there, those come in handy. I love those. Ever since I did the battery location, I like that. If anybody in the comments can let me know where I can get a plug for that port and then the other one that's over here, please let me know. I really do need those. So today I just finished up doing my fuel line. So that's my 8 AN feed. You see this beauty right here? Oh, she is so nice. 8 AN feed, -6 return to my radium fuel pressure regulator with the pulse dampener included. Then we go all the way down there to my E85 from SOS, science to speed bracket down there for my E85. Lines all the way back. I got a surprise for y'all. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Fucking radium surge tank. Okay, so right now it was just Jimmy rig just so I can test it out, but it does work. Give me a second, I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, it does work. So let's go over here. This shit here was irking my nerves. So I had to cut that. Yep, I cut that. I cut a hole in that. All that's cut. You see? That's a big ass hole. But we don't care because it's race car. And I'm not buying more parts if I can't just fix the shit I got. So, yep, 8 AN, 6 AN. I gotta test that return to make sure that that shit is not gonna leak. But that's for another day. Y'all seen? I don't think y'all seen the Mugen. I don't think y'all seen the tilter. I gotta find a fucking smaller steering wheel. But the tilt sensation is here, baby. I didn't want that pull-off shit, so don't mind me. I'm gonna fix that. Don't worry about that. I am going to fix that shit. I got some more wiring to do that I don't want to do. But yeah, she is fucking almost ready to start. I just need to find me a flywheel. That way I can prime it for oil. Still got to test some connections and other shit like that, so we're really not worried about that. But my fuel is done. Let me go ahead and show y'all the magics of that shit. show y'all the magics. That shit there is nice. I like that. That radium shit is nice. All right, so since we're not on a relay, it's going, once I hit this switch, this fuel pump is going to prime anyway. So she's going. She's at 60 PSI worth of fuel. Yes, that is the fuel system that you hear. Ain't it glorious? But yeah. The other thing I gotta figure out is why my fuel pressure is not doing what it needs to do. I think we run out of fuel. Oh, it's that. Yeah, that. So we're gonna turn this off while we finish talking to y'all. So yeah, so for now, let me get this key. So for now, only thing that we got left to do is fucking AC, catch can, oil cooler, flywheel, clutch, transmission. I'm still debating on either doing a sequential or doing a just a standard H pattern. I think I want to do the sequential. Oh, I need a fucking coolant overflow shit too. I gotta figure that shit out too. But yeah, so basically it's the clutch on back is what we need left to do. That's really, the money pit. Other than that, because you already know we're going forward 8.8 and we want studio down trains. So, the jazz is coming out of that shit. Woo! It's gonna be nice. But I'm gonna try to key y'all in on some updates that come in soon. So just make sure y'all hit that notification bell and make sure y'all subscribe to this. That way y'all are up to date, because there's some old vintage footage from this that I'm trying to see if I can go back and get. And I'm just gonna be throwing that shit out there. But this is gonna be out before that, so yeah, I'm not sure what time frame that's from. Maybe it's from January, December, November. I'm not sure. But whatever it is, whatever I can get to y'all, I'm gonna throw it out there. I'm not sure what kind of quality it's gonna be in, but just know it's gonna come at y'all fast and soon. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Hey, whew. Hey, that's Tony. I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace.